Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And the news of today, well, it's day number 840, war day number 840. 840 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, enough about the war. Binary puzzle number 8704. This will be 8704. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. This is number 5. Double one, here no, there no. Then I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now I need to think. Nope, double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these two boxes should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, and a no between an O and a 1. With two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box will be an O. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. This will be difficult. This will be difficult. And here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be difficult. 3. This will be difficult. Cannot compare this column. I need more information. Maybe here. Double O. Well, this column and that column. O, sorry. O, 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 1, 1. O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O. Empty box, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With 1 here, there should be no. With O here, there should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And double O here, 1 there, 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 7 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again with one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.